Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Siri stop announcing for certain apps in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now scroll down to the general section and click on Siri, and first of all open announce notifications on speaker. After turning on announce notifications on speaker, then click on announce notifications. Now here in announce notifications from section, you will see all the apps in your iPhone, and to turn off notifications of a certain app, click on the app and then turn off the button. So after turning off this button, now Siri will not announce notifications from this app. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.